Hey guys, welcome back to Pincha Pink Salt. Today we are going to be making this super easy 2-ingredient coconut yogurt. Let's get into it. So to start, we are going to need a sterile jar. Now I will have details below on how to make sure your jar is sterilized. Into that, we're going to add our full fat coconut milk. And now we're going to move on to our probiotic. So I will also have the details of the probiotic I use. Make sure you have capsules and not regular hard pills, because we do need to twist the tops off and pour the contents into yogurt, and the powder just blends a lot easier. Then we are going to use a plastic or a wooden spoon or stirring receptacle, not metal, because apparently there is some kind of reaction that happens with metal. And we're going to stir in our probiotic powder. We're then going to cover it with a breathable cloth. I am actually using an old nut bag, and I'm going to let this sit on my counter for 48 hours. Now I'm actually going to show you what it looks like after 24 hours. So I would recommend using a larger container. Mine was too small. As you can see, it kind of started foaming up top, but this is what it looks like. It's really bubbly. It is kind of loose. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back and let it cure or mature one more day. And this is actually after 48 hours. As you can see, it's much thicker, still bubbly, but it's really nice and thick, and it has that perfect tangy flavor that I'm looking for. Now at the bottom, you may notice that some liquid has formed or has settled to the bottom. We're just gonna go ahead and mix that in, because we are, after this, gonna be putting it in our fridge to cool completely. So go ahead and put a regular lid on, seal it up, and put it in your fridge. And after it has completely cooled, we end up with this really nice, creamy, thick, and tangy yogurt. Guys, I'm not sure if I'm ever gonna buy store-bought yogurt again. Like, this is just so good, and I'm gonna show you my absolute favorite way to have it. Now this is my strawberry compote. I do have a recipe for this. It is so easy, literally 3 ingredients. So you can check out that if you want to make your yogurt just like me, which honestly I think that's the best way to have it. So we're just gonna pour some compote on the bottom. And then after that, we're gonna go ahead and pour our yogurt on top. So we kind of have like a fruit on the bottom yogurt thing going on here. I'm then gonna pour on some of my homemade granola, which I also have a recipe for that. The link will be above. Amazing granola. And this is it, guys. This is my favorite way to eat homemade coconut milk yogurt. It is so amazing. You get that nice tart sour flavor from the yogurt itself, and then the strawberry compote adds some sweetness, some sour, and then we have those beautiful spices that come from the granola itself. Anyway guys, I really hope you guys love this recipe. If you give it a try, let me know in the comments below. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. I put out new videos every single week. And until next time, have a great day guys. Bye.